If you love sprinkles, these soft and chewy homemade Funfetti cookies are a must try. Hi, I'm Gaki and welcome to Gaki's Kitchen. Let's get started. First off, measure out 115 grams of butter and add it to a mixing bowl. To that, add 100 grams of light brown sugar and mix that until it's light and fluffy. You can use white sugar or brown sugar, whichever you have is okay. Make sure you scrape the bowl as needed to ensure that the sugar and butter are incorporated together. Add 1 egg and keep whipping for about 2 more minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Whip that in. That looks perfect. Measure out 190 grams of all-purpose flour. That's about 1.5 cups of the flour. Add half at a time as you fold it in. Mix until it's well combined. Add half a cup of these colorful sprinkles and mix until they are well distributed throughout the dough. That looks perfect. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This will help the flavors develop and keep the cookies from spreading too much when they are cooking. Use an ice cream scooper to make the cookie doughs. If you find it hard to work with the chilled dough, mold the balls before refrigerating. You can make the cookies as large or as small as you like. Just ensure that they are evenly sized. For this size, you'll get about 12 cookies. Also, do not overcrowd the baking tray. Leave some space for the cookies to spread. Let's head to the preheated oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are set and turn to a light golden brown color. They look perfect. Let them sit for about 5 minutes to set on the tray and then place them on a wire rack to cool completely. The cookies are soft, chewy, and very delicious. They are so easy to make, especially when you're craving something sweet. If you like these cookies, check out my chocolate chip cookies recipe. You will love it. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and fun recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.